What's up, all my real life traders? This is Yates with another game changer. Health and Wellness Month's finally here. It only comes once a year. About to do a bunch of crunches made with some punches. Time to skip those heavy lunches. Add in some lunches. We're gonna crush this. Get it done. Yeah, I'm talking to everyone. Improve our bodies and our minds. Get out there. Hit the grind. Several challenges, all of them real. Lifting heavy. Moving that steel. Time to work. Live our life. Get it done. Don't think twice. Don't forget the last one trading. Love y'all. You're all amazing. All right, so Health and Wellness Month, here we are. All right, let's get into these 3 challenges that we have for you today. We're gonna have your real challenge, we're gonna have your life challenge, and we're gonna have your trading challenge. So let's get into all 3 right here. What's first? Your real challenge. That's gonna be your fitness challenge and your dietary challenge. I'm switching it up, we're giving you 2 challenges for that. So it's gonna be 4 challenges this month. All right, so let's do it. Your fitness challenge, what's it gonna be? I'm actually gonna keep it pretty easy this month because what I want every single person to do is work out for 20 minutes a day. 20 minutes a day, every single day for the rest of the month. I know we're a little late in the month getting this out, but you can do it till the next month on the 10th if you start the 10th of May, whatever. Just try to do it for about 30 days. So you're gonna work out for 20 minutes a day, every single day for 30 days. So you're gonna go outside, you're gonna go ride your bike, you're gonna walk, you're gonna do something. It doesn't have to be super vigorous. It just needs to be some kind of physical activity. Especially during COVID, we've all gotten so used to just sitting in our houses, not doing anything, being super sedentary all the time. So just getting out there, getting moving, doing a workout at the gym, doing a workout outside, riding your bike. It's gonna be summer. So just whatever it is, make sure you get out there, make it count, and make sure you schedule a time every single day and you're very intentional about when you do it. So make sure you get out there, get in your fitness every single day, schedule it. Step number 2 is gonna be your diet. I'm gonna ask you to eliminate, I don't know. I'm gonna ask you to eliminate one thing out of your diet. Again, I'm gonna let you pick. I'm not gonna be super specific. This challenge is to just eliminate one thing out of your diet for the entire month. That could be really hard on you. It could be soda, if you drink soda all the time. It could be gluten, which could be hard. It could be alcohol. It's something that you know isn't good for you that you're gonna eliminate all month long, and just really buckle down and get rid of that and see how you feel after that month. If you get rid of gluten for a whole month and you feel great, maybe that's something you wanna do in a longer term. If you get rid of fast food and you feel great, maybe that's something you wanna do in a longer term. So just eliminate one thing that you know is bad for you for this entire month. Your next challenge is going to be your life challenge. That's going to be to do a gratitude journal at morning or night, or both if you want to be super ambitious. Do a gratitude journal at morning, at night, and do that every single day for 30 days. So it doesn't have to be a long journal. You don't have to write your entire day's story and journal and write a few pages, several hundred words. Just write a sentence, maybe even write one word, just one thing you're grateful for each day. Just so you're getting in the habit of remembering the things that you have in your life and being grateful for everything that you have. It can make a huge difference in your perspective if you're doing this in the morning or in the evening. There isn't necessarily one that's better. It's whatever works best for you, but make sure it's part of your routine. Make sure you can't go to bed without doing it. Make sure you can't go to work. I mean, you should go to work either way, but do it at work if you forget. Make sure it's on your calendar, just like the fitness stuff. Make sure you're getting that done every single day and you're making sure that happens. So that's going to be your life section, your trading section. So I'm going to make this one also fairly easy. It's just going to be to buy a stock on a down day and wait until it's profitable and sell it on an up day. So it's going to get us in the habit of buying things on down days. There's been a lot of those. I think a lot of the names that we trade regularly have been seeing a lot of down days. So that should be the easy part. But it is scary to buy on down days. It's scary to buy when the stock is just hemorrhaging lower. And so don't buy a lot, obviously. Set up your risk units and everything, but make sure you buy on a down day, and it's at least a small amount, and make sure you sell when it's profitable and it's an up day. So you're buying low and selling high. And it's gonna work that muscle to buy low, sell high, because it's so easy for us to just buy when things are looking good, when they're breaking out. And then we think, oh, I should have bought when it was at the bottom, but I was scared. It was scary then. So this is gonna help you maintain and build that muscle that is gonna help you to buy when it's low, when things are dropping, when it's the scariest. And oftentimes when we look back in retrospect, March 2020, that is the time to buy. It's not always the time to buy heavy, so things still can go lower than they are right now. So just be careful, know what your risk is, but buy a little bit of some stock, your favorite stock, when we are headed down, and then wait till you're profitable, sell on an up day. Only buy low on a down day, sell on an up day. So those are your 3/4 challenges for the month of May, health and wellness month. So get out there, stay active. I know COVID's kept us in our houses for a long time, and I think getting out there, really getting back into these active lifestyles can help a lot of people and their mind and their body. So I love you all. This is Yates from Real Life Trading. Have an awesome month.